What's up, Soul Squad? Happy Monday, but it's Sunday for me. And what we're making for dinner, we are making slow cooked ribs in my slow cooker. Welcome to all my new subs. You are now officially a Soul Squad, and I hope you are enjoying all the videos. Go to the library. It's over at least 500 videos that you could go back, get to know your girl, leave comments so I can get to know you. Let's get started. So I had two slabs of pork ribs. I wanted baby back ribs, but they bought me pork ribs, but they pork too, but they bought me regular ribs instead of baby back ribs because they ain't had no more. But I got my slow cooker right here. It's not plugged up yet. But I have my ribs here. This is a few. I'm going to season. So you're going to clean your ribs, pepper dry them and season them to your tasting. Salt and pepper. I have my all-purpose seasoning that will hopefully be coming out in the summer. It's just the 1-2 get them go type thing. So you don't have everything out. I'm going to flip this. You want to do the back and the front. And then after you do that, you want to just rub it in a little bit. I got more ribs to go. And yes, I'm still sticking my hands in here just because all of this is getting used on all the ribs. So, yeah. I'm going to lay this down inside my pot. Whew, and I need to grab some more ribs. So let me grab some more ribs. Back up, cameraman. You can follow me. Got 2 more. Everything been cleaned and washed. Everybody in my house don't eat pork. They don't like ribs, so this is just enough. A slab and a half for them, because I won't be eating this because of barbecue sauce. But I know I can eat pork because I am on keto, so I left a few out for me. You know you need to cut all the fat off, but I don't do that because to me fat is flavor. If it don't have too much fat, too much fat, I'll go with it. Just so I can have that flavor that it gives. Again, I'm gonna rub this in. Let me wash my hands, because then I'm gonna show you guys the next step. Okay, guys, the next step, I have about 3 cups of barbecue sauce. Your favorite. I like Baby Ray's. That's what's in here. Half a cup of brown sugar. Ooh, my oregano, not even open. Yes, it is. A couple of, maybe a tablespoon of oregano, some Worcestershire sauce, just to make these ribs tiny. About 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and we're gonna stir it up. Now I got this recipe off of Tasty. I've been using it, and I used it a couple of times. So I wanted to share it with you guys. If you don't know who Tasty is, they're a YouTube channel with all types of recipes. And I really liked it. The only thing that I didn't use any cayenne, any chili powder. You know, the spicy stuff. Look at that. Here we go. So let's go to my crock pot. I have ribs in here already. Like this all. I want to pour some of this sauce all on top of the ribs. Yes. You don't need no water. You don't need nothing. These things are going to cook. And you're going to pour the rest on top of it. Just like that. The barbecue sauce, before they done, that's what they're going to marinate and cook in, people. I look a hot mess, but it's Sunday. I'm in the house. Who's dressed up on a Sunday unless you've been to church? We're going to put the top on here. We're going to let this cook for 8 hours. The first 4 hours is going to cook on slow. We're going to come back. I'm going to let you guys see what they're doing. And the last 4 hours, cook on high. Then we'll be ready. We'll be back in 4 hours. So guys, I thought we were going to have to flip them. But we don't have to flip them. Look at these ribs. Look at them. That barbecue sauce. Yes. Ooh. These things is going to cook. I'm going to, what I want to do now is I flip them. But let me just baste them a little bit. Ooh, it's smell good. Just trying to get a spoon, that's all. Just put some of that barbecue sauce on them. I know I didn't grab the right spoon, guys. Don't come for me. I just want to move them around. So I cooked them. They're cooking on slow, but I'm about to turn them up to high because they've been cooking like for 45 minutes. 45 minutes. What happened to my math? They've been cooking like for 4 hours. I'll base that in a minute. I had to take the time to find the right spoon. But I just wanted you guys to look at them, to see what they're doing, to see how they're cooking in that barbecue sauce. They're going to come out so amazing. I'm going to base them, let them cook for another 4 hours, and we'll be right back. Guys, look at this. 4 hours. No, I said 4 hours. 8 hours. Slow cooked ribs for your family. Oh my goodness. Look at that. In the crock pot, in your slow cooker. Look how it's going to cut right through the bone. Look at that. Falling apart. That's all you need. Look at that rib. The barbecue sauce. Guys, pull out your slow cooker. If you got a job to go to, yeah. I look a hot mess because your girl in here, what? We're in here making flour, making videos, and getting your orders out. Don't forget the description below if you want to get some of that good old SoulfulT flour. Guys, look at this. Slow cooked ribs in the slow cooker. You can't go wrong. Put it on, go to work. I flipped them over. I didn't even need to flip them for real. I didn't need to do anything. Put them on, go to work. Just cook them on slow for 8 hours. Look what you're going to come home to. Beautiful, pull apart, succulent barbecue. You can't get no better than that. Top it with your favorite side dish. What else going to be? I got some boxed macaroni and some canned gas. And guess what? It ain't about that. It's about what I did to those ribs. Until next time, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Get your flour. The orders are coming out. Enjoy this recipe. It's going to be in the link below. But it's quick, it's easy, it's simple.